My son Kaden, who was 16, unlike a lot of his friends, wasn't getting a new car, so he drove a used one, a 16-year-old Volvo, and he never complained. And went out and got himself a job, you know, working at a restaurant. And so that kind of thing impressed me. And I really started to think about what he loved, which is diving and hunting. When someone's like that, when they don't ask for things and they go out and try to get them themselves, at least when you're a dad, at that moment, you actually want to help them. I went online, I started looking for a truck because that's what he wanted. He takes his boat up and down the coast. And at that point, I thought to myself, I'm going to get him the best, most bitchin' truck. So, you know, after going online, after seeing a lot of things, the liftedtrucks.com guys just kept coming up. And then I had a friend, a close friend, who said, I think Lifted Trucks is the way for you to go. Because I needed a little help. I'm not a gearhead. Maybe the movies make me seem like I should know a lot about trucks. It's not like I do.
It's allowed me to do so much more with my life, and a lot of my life is full of like adventures, like going diving or going hunting, and go out, load up and bring back a bunch of fish and lobsters and all sorts of stuff.
That's what liftedtrucks.com did for me, kind of helped me. And when he came out, he couldn't take the smile off his face, and therefore I couldn't take the smile off my face.